Hello! Hey guys, it's Melanie and today's video, another Christmas video. If you cannot already tell by the little setup, I upgraded my room a little bit. As you can see, I have my beautiful Christmas tree up. It's actually like as tall as me, which is a little bit embarrassing because it's a miniature Christmas tree. But as you can tell, I'm very giddy, very excited, and that is all because it is Christmas season. As you guys probably know, I freaking love Christmas. It's a jolly season, super happy, probably my favorite time of the whole freaking year. Actually, I feel like I say that about a lot of seasons, but you know, that's besides the point. So if you haven't seen my channel, I recently uploaded a 100+ gift ideas video, but I also did a poll on my Instagram that asked if you guys rather see a gift ideas video or a Christmas wish list video, which is, they're kind of similar, you know, but you guys said you wanted to see both and they were very close, and you know, I figured the more Christmas videos the better. Plus I got my gift ideas video up pretty early, so then I was like, I might as well still do this. Everyone has to do this disclaimer. I'm just gonna throw it out there too. A lot of people are like, I do this video so that I can just send it to like my family and stuff. My like extended family, we don't really do gift lists. We don't really do gifts. Even my immediate family, I'm just making this video because I like watching them. They give you guys ideas on what you can ask for. Plus, you know, I just figured it would be fun.
I don't know.
If you want some more ideas, make sure to hop on over to that video because I have 100+ ideas in that one. The video is just the things that like I kind of want. They're the things you're like, I know I don't need this, like I'm not gonna treat myself, I'm not really deserving of it, but I mean, if somebody else got it for me, I wouldn't mind. Let's get started on my wish list. This is not in order of anything, and I also didn't think about prices that much on it, which I'm not bad. So the first thing I said was a bullet blender. I don't know if that's actually what it's called, but I mean like a miniature blender. I'm pretty sure they're called bullets, but like the ones that are like, it's like in a cup already and you just push the cup down and then like it's your drink. You know what I'm saying? Right now I have this honking huge fat blender and I always make so much. Like if I make a smoothie, I have no like common sense portion control size, whatever, so I end up making like 6 servings of smoothies, and then you have to clean it, and cleaning it is
kind of hard
and it's just a whole hassle. Plus I've been kind of on a smoothie like grind smoothie obsession kind of thing, which is weird because it's literally freezing out. The next thing I said is Pandora charms. If you didn't know, I don't know why I said that, that doesn't really make sense, but I have a Pandora bracelet, and Pandora bracelets are just, they're awesome because you can like customize them to like your own personality and stuff. And looking at the charms, really cute and fun, and charms are a thing where I'm like, I'm not gonna buy myself charms, you know, like I mean I could, but I feel like they're a nice gifting idea. Plus it's not like you need your bracelet to be like full. It's just fun, okay? And then I also said Pandora ring. So I'll show you guys some of the particular charms that I like and that I think go with my style, personality, character. I don't freaking know. And then I also said Pandora rings. If you didn't know, I'm kind of obsessed with Pandora. I really like Pandora and I love their rings. I have one ring and I wear it all the time, but they have a bunch of other ones that I'm really into, so I'll just put some little pictures of them. I just like good quality rings because then you don't have to like take them off when you wash your hands and they don't tarnish and stuff. They're just fun, but then at the same time I'm so paranoid about losing my rings. I actually haven't lost any rings, which is really impressive for me. Next off, I said a Jibble speaker. I don't even know if they're called Jibble. I just read it as Jibble, but JBL, I don't know. One of those speakers. I want like the normal, I think it's called the Charge 4 or something, but it's like waterproof and then it's just portable and Bluetooth. Currently I'm using this really weird speaker thingy, and I got it in White Elephant from my family last year, and it doesn't really work and it sounds very bad. I also just listen to music like on my phone, which is fine, but I mean like, you know, good audio so I can jam out in my room when I'm having my little dance parties, or like, I feel like speakers come in handy a lot. Then I said Glossier makeup specifically. Well, I don't really wear that much makeup and I don't really know a whole lot about their makeup line. I just know that I love their lip balm thingies. I forgot what it's called, balm.com something, but I have the mango one and I love that stuff. It smells so good. Either the like scent free, the rose one, or the coconut one, because when I was buying it I was deciding between all of those, and then I just got the mango one, but I use it all the time. And this is such a good gift idea. Like if you don't know what to get someone, freaking get them this. Good gift idea. Then I said a sleep mask, because currently I use like this random sleep mask that my dad got me from one of his traveling excursions. It's fine, you know, but my friend has a sleep mask and I touched it and it was like the softest thing ever. And then I know they also have these silk ones for $50. I'm not asking for that, but just like a nice one that like, because I don't know, I might seem a little extra, if you will, for using a sleep mask, but honestly it helps so much. And my eyes are very sensitive and I'm very sensitive to my sleeping, and my sleeping schedule has been very off. Sleep masks are helpful, and so a nice comfy one would be good, because the one I use right now is not very comfy. It doesn't work very well. Maybe that's why I'm not sleeping. Who knows? Maybe that's why I'm like this right now. Then I said dainty necklaces. I have a few specific ones that I like, and they were all from like Etsy. I love just looking at Etsy randomly, and it supports small sellers, which is like but they have a bunch of really adorable necklaces, and they're also really affordable on there. And then I said Pura Vida rings. I also really like Pura Vida. And then I just listed a bunch of little like goodies that I like from Urban Outfitters. I freaking love Urban Outfitters, and like if you go on their website and look at their gift guide, oh my goodness, it has so much stuff that I definitely don't need, but they're just so funny. I'll just list a few. I want a pop socket because I always have one, but I don't have one currently, if that makes sense. Urban Outfitters has these two upgraded pop sockets that are cooler than just your average typical pop socket. So there's one that's like glittery, like you know the glittery phone cases that are like whoosh like that, but it's in a pop socket. That's pretty sick. And then the other one is like you flip it open and it's a mirror. Whoa, the apple is a mirror. Oh my goodness, has it always been like that? Well, I was thinking that would be very practical, you know, not like for staring at myself or anything, but like if I was running late and I need to put my eyebrows on or something. But now that I think about it, I don't really do that. Or maybe like if you have a little booger, you need to like pick it. I don't know. That was kind of disgusting. Please ignore that I said that. Or maybe if you have to like pluck your eyebrows. I'm not sure. I just feel like it would be kind of helpful. Then I saw some like cute little accessories. So there was like a layered necklace that I liked on there. You can't go wrong with that. There's also these mini scrunchie sets, and I have a thing for mini scrunchies over big scrunchies now. They hold your hair very well. Like that's my problem with big scrunchies. They're very cute, but they don't hold my hair. Maybe that's because my hair is like wonky like that, you know? There was a cute little AirPods case that I really like. It's like a hard shell, so it wouldn't really be very helpful because I wouldn't be able to attach my AirPods to anything like I currently do, but I just thought the case was really freaking cute. AirPods cases are kind of unnecessary, but I just thought it was so adorable. And the last thing on my list is mugs, because I love me some homemade drinks, and even better when it's in a cute mug. There were a few cute ones on Urban Outfitters. There was one that was a sloth, and there was one that was a corgi, and I just thought that was so funny. Actually, I like eat a lot of random stuff, and am I the only one who eats out of mugs, like cereal and mugs? That's good stuff. Okay guys, I kind of talked for a long time. I thought this video, not gonna lie, was gonna be like 5 minutes because my list isn't that long, but apparently I was in a bit of a chatty mood. So yeah, that was my Christmas wish list. Once again, I am not saying I need these things. I definitely do not. I'm not expecting any of these things. I just thought it would be a fun video. Let me know what other Christmassy videos you would like to see, and I will be sure to get on that for you guys. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that it was a little bit helpful for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.